YouTube? This is your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what is up, my lovies? Okay, so I just uploaded 2 videos today that I did on Saturday. As you guys know, I've been working doubles lately, so your girl has been pre-recording. So this is for Monday, so happy Monday, guys. I'm gonna try to do 3 videos and try to get them out throughout the week because your girl's trying to keep in touch with y'all. Definitely, without a doubt. What do I have for you guys today? I am just been so crazy with doing doubles and stuff and everything that, look at my hair. It's soaking wet. I literally was like, oh my God, the sun is going to go down soon. Let me catch this lighting while I can. And then, you know, whatever comes after that comes after that. So, if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Please hit that bell, guys, because I have a lot of my sweetie squad. It's kind of odd, and I'm not calling you out by all means because I am very entertaining. Ask my squad. But I see 427 to 500 views on the giveaway video, and then like a Ipsy video or a sing-along, I'm getting 13. So if you're gonna be a true sweetie squad, please watch my videos. At least just click on them and click off. You don't even need to watch through the ads. It is what it is. Your girl's just trying to get her name out there. I'm trying to get my channel up there. So if you guys are gonna, I mean, I'm not coming at y'all nasty, but if you guys are gonna actually watch my video to get free makeup from your girl, then please respect me enough to watch all my videos. I'm telling you, I'm funny as fuck. Like, ask anybody. Seriously. But anyways, what do I have for you guys right now? I actually have a Birchbox for July 2019. Obviously, we're in 2019. I got it honestly like 2 weeks ago. It's very heavy, so I'm actually kind of excited. This will ultimately decide if I am keeping Birchbox, even though I do see a spoiler for next month. Oh my God, they have the IBY eyeshadow in Poolside, and I really want that. If you guys are wondering why my eyeshadow is kind of a little janky today, it's literally, I got out the shower, this is what I wore, how I wore it to work today, and I just threw a top coat on top. There's no blush on me, there's no highlight on me, literally just trying to keep the sunlight, guys. So let's jump in. Birchbox is now $12.95 a month. It used to only be $10 and free shipping. Now it's $12.95 and free shipping. I am a little saddened. I really am. I like the $10 a month, you know what I mean? Because it was kind of like an Ipsy kind of thing, except nobody can touch Ipsy. But Birchbox is one of those old school subscription services, and they have definitely stepped their game up. They used to only give out like little tiny skin products and hair products. Now they are actually doing makeup. And that's what I want when I do a makeup subscription. I want makeup. So I will leave the link if you guys would like to sign up. I like it. I mean, I used to have them and I quit them, and then now I started back up. So apparently they have revamped their boxes. They now tell you like in full detail. Now this box seems heavy. I honestly do not remember. Birchbox tells you spoilers, but I do not remember. Okay, so it is heavy. The lid barely fits on here. They honestly kind of tricked me last month, and I have the box. Where is it? Is it right here? No, was that the other box? Oh, they kind of tricked me. I don't remember. But anyways, look how through that. See how cute this one is with like the cute little drawer and stuff. And this was for June. So this is July. And they went right back to their old school shoe boxes. So I don't know. I'm kind of questionable. So first thing I am pulling out is a Z card. And it's telling me everything which full size on here. Ooh, hello. I do not know what's in this box. Okay, I am seeing a liquid eyeshadow. Go Birchbox. Go Birchbox. Okay. So, oh, I am going to love this box. There it is right there. I need to learn to do a thumbnail. Okay, we'll work on that, guys. All right. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this big bad boy shampoo right here. And this is by Menu, and this is Illuminating Protective Shampoo for Colored Hair. Yes, please. It was like it was reading my mind because your girl needs some good shampoo. Okay, what did I just use? I used the L'Oreal Color Safe shampoo. I mean, so I am using color shampoo, but you know what I mean. Okay, and it says here, ooh, Caper Blossom Extract. Don't mind. Ooh, it kind of smells like fresh, kind of. Okay. So this is a nice deluxe size, and this full size would be $26. It says it's lightweight, leave-in. Hold on. It's not a, this says shampoo. Hair serum. Is there two kinds? Am I missing it? Okay, I'm a little confused right now because the card is saying that it is a hair serum for color treated hair. This lightweight leave-in hair treatment keeps color from fading while boosting shine. Bonus, the citrusy scent smells delightful. It says shampoo. It does not say leave-in. Protective shampoo. Okay, did y'all send me the wrong product? I don't know. We're off to a great start, Birchbox. And I just talked so good about you. All right, the next little goodie is getting by Orbi, and this is the Straightaway Smoothing Blowout Cream. Here it is right here. Ooh, I love the color. It is like a little, deluxe size sample. And this is Straightaway Smoothing. It's a Birchbox favorite, and full size would be $44. Damn. Get sleek, shiny hair without sacrificing body thanks to the styling balm that fights frizz and flyaways. Ooh, yes, girl. Need that. So my hair does get frizzy at times. See that right there? It's already frizzing up over there. And I got straight hair. I mean, my hair is so straight. It's straight. Okay? It's heterosexual. Okay. What is this? I am seeing some goodies. The next thing I'm seeing here is by Kiehl's. I actually really like Kiehl's. Kiehl's is a fantastic brand. And this is a Birchbox favorite as well. And this is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. Yes, please. Full size, $23. This looks like this is full size right here, honestly, but I'm not sure. Made with exotic Brazilian clay from the mouth of the Amazon. Fancy. This cleanser removes dirts and toxins without drying out skin. Oof. Well, when I take my makeup off tonight, I think I'll be using you, bad boy, because I've been getting some deep pores lately. All right. Next little goodie is by Perlice. Oh my God. This thing comes back to haunt me every damn chance it gets. I've gotten this thing in Ipsy like twice, and I give it to my mom every time, or my best friend. Okay, so this is Perlice, and this is the damn coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. Retails full size $36. It just shows your skin's elasticity and clarity, exfoliate and hydrate, blah, blah, blah. You know what a shower scrub does. I hate the scent of coffee. I hate the scent. I hate the taste. I hate coffee. So, my coffee lovers, I'll be throwing this in a future giveaway. It came back to haunt me. All right. Oh, yeah, tricky tricksters. Okay, so I am seeing here, and this is by Davines? Yes, okay. This is by Davines, and this is the Moo Moo Illuminating Shampoo and Conditioner. They messed up. They seriously messed up. So, this says that this is a hair serum. Okay? This is hair serum, and this is retails for $26. This is the conditioner. The shampoo should have been, I guess, this size. I'm going to contact Birchbox because they did mess up. I will go ahead and tell you this now. So they say this is the hair serum sample, and then this is the conditioner. Obviously, they have a hair serum in this full size right here because otherwise they wouldn't have sent it. So this should have been the shampoo, and this should have been the hair serum. Either way, I'm going to contact them, see if they'll send me the regular deluxe size. Otherwise, it is what it is. But I do enjoy foil packet shampoos and conditioners. It allows me to try it, especially for color-treated hair. So I am excited about trying this. All right. And two more things in here, and this is by Real Chemistry. This is my first time ever receiving something like this from Birchbox. It looked like a mask, but it says that it's for a supple, luminous glow. So this is a day cream. This anti-aging moisturizer, full size, is $34, and it quickly absorbs into your skin, provides touchably soft 12-hour hydration after cleansing and treating. Massage a thin layer in your face and neck. God, I might need to try this tonight too. Goodness, yes please. So this is really cool, and this is 100% cruelty-free, paraben and sulfate-free. Awesome. And the last but not least, and this is the Cruel Dior, is the LOC liquid eyeshadow, and I have received one of these from Birchbox before. I cannot tell you the color. Oh, Aurora. It was in the color Aurora. This is in the color Daybreak, and this is retails full size $10, and this is a shimmer and shine with long-lasting crease-free liquid shadow in a metallic peach gold shade. All right, let's see this bad boy because I have the rose gold one, so let's see. Okay, this looks like rose gold to me again, kind of. Everything kind of looks like rose gold to me. But anyways, this is the color right here. I think it's very pretty. Yeah, it is more of like a, kind of like a peachy champagne kind of color. Very pretty. I definitely will use this. I love liquid eyeshadows. You guys know that. So that is awesome to get. And all this for $12.95. So again, if you guys would like to sign up, I will leave the link in the description box below. But right now, let's get my little makeup wipe out. Oh my god, I was gonna say, please don't tell me I left it open because these things dry out so quickly. Okay. Alright, now, one thing real quickly before we count, well, we'll just count them real quick. So we have 1, this was the shampoo, 2, the mask, 3, the liquid eyeshadow, 4, 5, the foil packets, 6, the Kiehl's moisturizing cream, 7, the Orbi Straight Blowing, and 8, the Plurlisse. I don't think I've ever received 8 products from Birchbox before. However, I am missing the perfumes. Birchbox, please bring back your perfume samples because I'm loving those. I love getting perfume samples. And, I mean, it's a very diverse box. I will give it that. It has a makeup, it has skin, it has hair. I do enjoy that. I really do. But, I don't know. I just think that maybe 1 hair product. I have 3. I have 4. I have 2 full packets, a full-size shampoo, and a blowout straightener. Defrizzy. So, I don't know. Oh, you guys see my Daytona Beach shirt right here? Matches my ears. But yeah. So, I don't know. I like the box this month. I do. Like I said, I probably will be getting rid of them. I mean, I really want that eyeshadow next month. So August will probably be my last month because, again, your girl's trying to save up her monies, okay? And Sweetie Prince wants Jordans for school and all that good stuff. So, you know, what he wants, he gets. He's the only child. No, I honestly, I feel like if you want to spoil your children every now and then, that's good. But, you know, they do need to learn the value of $1. So, I do enjoy, I like my Birchbox this month. I've said that a lot. I will go ahead and say that I did enjoy it. Miss Lauren Mateus. Girl, I need you to DM me on Instagram, SamanthaSweets100, your address, because tonight it will expire and I will have to try to pick another winner. I honestly should have done it yesterday, but your girl's been working doubles. So, please DM me tonight. Otherwise, I will have to pick another winner. I'm so sorry. But yeah, as always, guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.